video. I was in your video and they were like, you're like, this is my channel. And I was in your video. Go subscribe to Ariana's channel. What is it called again?
Ariana.
It's called Ariana. So go subscribe and like that video.
And give me a big thumbs up. Y'all see me all the time on YouTube. No thumbs down.
You got that from me. Because I told you to say yeah, and keep on saying it. So guys, we got
slime. And it's
really sticky.
humongous.
It's really sticky.
We made it today. Yeah, we made it today.
If y'all want it, then it is $20. Comment down below if your birthday's on July the 21st. It's my birthday. My birthday's on July the 21st.
Oh, and y'all can go to our birthdays.
Yeah. I didn't. I like them. I have to give them a card.
We can invite them.
If y'all live in Gonzales at Wendy May apartment, then
Y'all can come to our birthday parties.
no. If I know y'all, then they could.
If I know them too. then they
Stop. See, you're getting it all over
can.
you.
No, I'm not.
We keep on watching this show.
Huh? Yeah, this show.
If y'all haven't watched, comment down below if y'all watch it.
Yeah, it's a good movie.
Not a movie, it's a video.
Yeah, video. But it's still a movie, like we're making a movie.
Okay, there.
Oh, and guys, we just wanted to show y'all the slime that we made today. Both of us made it. And she wanted to keep it. So I was like, okay. This is a good movie, though.
Put back.
I can't play with it, girl. And it's a beautiful day outside.
My birthday, my brother's birthday is in 2 more days, guys.
Yeah, and y'all can go tomorrow. If y'all know us, y'all can go tomorrow.
If that's nice or mean, if you're mean, you can't. Because you don't want mean people at a birthday party.
No.
You want nice people.
Only nice people, no mean.
Oh, it's not.
Because mean people don't go to people's birthday party and have fun. Because that's not nice if they're mean.
I'm going to go on a splash wave for our birthday.
On my birthday, I'm going to go to the zoo.
Who? The zoo, yeah.
Yeah. You know I'm going to go to the zoo, I told you.
I know.
And we're besties.
We're friends.
Besties. Besties is the same thing. We're besties. And she spends the night at my house all day, right?
No one makes it so I'm like, sure.
Oh, and she wants me to spend the night at her house.
No, y'all want to.
No, you said you want to spend the night at your house. And we're like, yeah, sure.
You're like, yeah.
Yeah. Now we're watching this commercial. Pretty much, it's just a regular commercial. It's on YouTube. Of course. It's on YouTube, of course.
Too much. Oh.
Ooh. Girl.
Hold them. Stop. Hold them real quick. Hold them. Sorry, guys.
Subscribe to my channel.
Here, put it back. Okay, stop. I'm gonna show them. Scoot over some.
Okay.
They're probably gonna see my face. My hair's a mess right now. So, slime.
This slime is amazing, guys.
It is really sticky. So,
Yeah, you gotta want
see,
it
it's
to.
really sticky. So, if y'all want it, it's $20 right on my hand. But you have to live in Gonzales, so we can go deliver it. And you have to send me y'all's address, huh? You have to send me y'all's address, right?
Yeah.
So we can like go to your house and be like, you know about this.
Yeah.
Do not steal from your mom. Do not steal money from your mom.
Yes.
Because if I go to y'all's house, be like, I did not fit no slime. Duh. You took my slime? I mean, you took my money? No, ma'am. It's my money. Okay. Thank you. Bye. And then if she doesn't find her money, I'm gonna chew it, y'all. So I don't want y'all parents to look, y'all.
Yeah, and if your mom catches y'all getting her money, she's gonna whoop the heck out of you.
Yes. Because my friend, I was selling like stuff, and I'm gonna do that today, and I'm gonna record I was selling stuff, and she gave me a $20 in my thing. I was like, oh yeah, you can have all my toys. And then I gave it to her, and then her mom was like, I'm missing $20. And then I was like, so now? And she was like, no, she lied to me actually. She was like, this is mine. My sister gave it to me. And I was like, oh, okay. And then her mom was like, I'm missing a $20. And then I was like, wait a minute, what? And then so now I got a big old trouble, and I had to give the money back. Of course I gave the money back, because I'm not getting in trouble for that. Okay, guys.
Of course you have to give the money back.
Yep. Because I'm going to steal money now.
No. Because you might think you stole it.